Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to make a photogram with using your cell phone. So we are going to open the photo app called Snapseed. That's the one there in the second row, first one. And what I've done is I've selected a photo from my gallery that of pictures I took earlier. And so what we have to do with this picture is turn it into a black and white picture first. And so we're going to click on the tools button in the bottom middle, and down in the lower right hand side, it's black and white. You've got that little button right there on the right hand column. It says black and white. And so we're going to click that. And we can choose different types of black and white. You see I'm clicking on some of these here. So whichever one you like, it really doesn't matter. I kind of like that one. I think that's fun. So then I'm going to click the check mark on the lower left hand or the lower right hand corner like that. Okay. Now I'm going to continue by clicking the tools button again and clicking up here at the top, top row, third from the left or second from the right, curves. And then I'm going to take this white, see this white little dot on that side? I'm going to take that and bring it all the way down. And I'm going to take this one on the left-hand side and bring it all the way up as far as it'll go. And then click the check mark at the lower right-hand side. So that's inverting or turning your picture inside out. So the blacks are white and the whites are black. Last thing to do is click Tools. And then down here in the lower left-hand corner says Noir. So I'm going to click that one. And then I'm going to play around. I can click on all these different ones here, and it kind of gives some fun grain look, and I like black and white photography. There we go. I like that one. So I'm going to click that one. And then to finish it up, I'm going to click the word export, and I can save it. And there, my photo has been saved to my phone, and all I need to do from there is take it and email that image, or I can put it directly into Google Classroom if I have the app on my phone. Okay? So that's how you make a photogram using your cell phone.